She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe we're going to go ahead and make a variation of a classic dish that I'm pretty sure many of you have had before, or at least made before. We're going to go ahead today and make a smoked sausage and potato skillet. So this smoked sausage recipe with potatoes is going to be an easy weeknight meal, and it's made all in one pan. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this smoked sausage and potato skillet. With all these ingredients, it's going to bring back that classic flavor of sausage and potatoes that you guys know and love, and maybe a few ingredients that might add a little twist to the recipe. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so this is the smoked sausage and potato skillet. Again, it was made in one pan. We've got the smoked beef sausage, the potatoes, those bell peppers. And then we've got the baby potatoes that were quickly sauteed. And they go so well with that savory sausage and the bell peppers for a nice spicy / savory touch. And again, this is a quick and easy meal, guys, so definitely give this a try. Maybe it's something new, maybe it's something old, but definitely it is something tasty. Hopefully you did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love sausage and potatoes. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.